Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at Raspberry Pi. This is actually a quite young chart that's only started trading less than a year ago. But we have this beautiful 5-wave move to the upside in wave 1, after which it was followed by a 3 waves down, A, B, C, which held let me actually remove this first, which held the support zone for a wave 2, and it followed the extension that the rule that wave C is around 100% length of wave A. It did exceed that a bit, but that's completely normal and fine actually. And we have already actually seen the reversal not too long ago. Now, for this part, on the lower time frame, the reversal, there's quite a few possible options on how we could count this, but the idea is that we have finished a wave 1, we have down a wave 2, a wave 3 that's possibly finished, and now we would look for a wave 4, which would then be followed by a wave 5. If this happens, we would get another wave 1 here that's on a smaller scale than the one up here. After we get that wave 1, we could look down and expect a correction in 3 waves, and if the support zone that would then form holds, we could be looking at the wave 3 of 3, which is actually the most impulsive wave in Elliott waves, in Elliott wave theory. Anyway, we did not get so far just yet, and we still have only 3 waves up from the bottom that formed on the 7th of April. So what should we look out for? Well, the first thing is that in this scenario, we assume that this is a wave 3, maybe finished. The wave 4 support zone will actually adjust if it starts going higher than the top of it. But for now, I will draw it as is and assume that this is the end of wave 3. The support zone here is a possible entry point, maybe even right here at the larger support zone for the bigger wave 1 at the 50% is actually maybe a decent entry, but there's also the risk that it breaks down, so be mindful that this scenario is quite fragile. It's on a pretty small time frame, and it's not something that can be disregarded as, oh, we break, we go below 50%, we go down, we make new lows so easily. And that's mostly because there's also a possibility that this whole move is not actually a 1, 2, 3 here. It's also possible that we do have a wave 1 here, a wave 2, but now we could also have a wave 1, which would be the first wave in the wave 3, and then the support zone for a wave 2 would actually be considerably lower. It could go much lower than the support zone for the wave 4 that I provided here, and I will put it on chart just for context, just to see that it could actually go down to $434 and still be within that scenario, where we then start, we could finish a correction here in 3 waves and then start a move up in a third wave of 3 of 3, which could provide us with quite good profits. The idea is to be mindful if you decide to enter this trade that the risk is still quite high. The most reliable setups are the 1-2 setups. If we do have the third wave here, wave 4, wave 5, and then we have a correction, this is actually the best time to enter, but the thing is there's no guarantee. So if you want, entering maybe with a small position, just so you don't feel FOMO, just 0.5% of your portfolio assets, 1%, a small amount, just so you enter and have a somewhat decent entry. It's still in the support zone for the bigger scenario, to be clear. It's pretty good, I would say, actually. And I now want to go back a bit on the bigger time frame and look at what's possible if this is to play out. So we have this wave 1 here. I will remove the smaller count because it's not relevant anymore. We have this wave 1 and this wave 2 here. If the count is correct, we can expect this move to take the price up to even $1,300, above $1,300, and even if this ends up being just an ABC, a move in 3 waves, it could still reach $1,000, even more easily. I wouldn't concern myself with that too much. We are still at just above $500. That's nearly 100% from where we are now. But this is the trade setup. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, found it useful, please subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover next. But for now, that's it. This is the trade setup again. Thank you for watching. Bye.